Okay, Leo, in order for you to heat just the jacuzzi and not the pool, you want to heat just the jacuzzi. So you turn this valve here all the way to like it's facing the way it is now, right? And then from here, you turn this valve all the way to here like this. It's kind of tough, but okay. And then from here, you turn on your heater, okay? You just push the mode, and then it'll go to spa or pool, and it gives you a temperature, and the blue and red buttons, you go up and down to your desired temperature that you want. And then from over here, you come out to the jacuzzi, and you will turn or push this button right here, and this will turn on your jets for you. You'll see. There he goes. And once you're done, you turn off these jets. Let's get going first. Okay, see how it's going? Okay, so when you're done, you just push this button again, okay? And then from here, come back out. You turn off your heat, okay? You switch this back to the middle like that. And then from here, you have this, and you switch this back, and that is it.